If I multiply this entire equation by 6 on both sides, I'm left with 6 over 2x plus 6 over 3y is equal to 24. This is the same thing as 3x plus 2y is equal to 24, which is my answer. If I subtract x and add 2 to both sides, then I'm left with 5 is equal to x. If I plug this in, 5 minus 4 is just 1. So 2/3 of 18 is 12. So x is equal to 12. And then I plug this in over here. So 2 times 12 minus 3 is 21. You can factor out a 9 here. So you have 9 times ax plus b minus 6 is equal to 21. Then I'm going to add 6 to both sides. So I have 9 times ax plus b is equal to 27. I'm going to divide by 9. And I have ax plus b is equal to 3. So if this is 8y, how do I get from 8y to 40y? I multiply by 5. So I'm going to take 3x times 5, and I get 15x, which is the answer. If you directly divide by 4 instead of distributing, you'll get that x plus 1 is equal to 4. The first step here is to distribute the 3 and distribute the 4. If I do that correctly with the negatives, and then I combine like terms, I have 6x minus 29 is equal to 4x minus 6. I'll move all the x's to the left, and I'll move all the numbers to the right. This tells me that x is equal to 23 over 2. The problem is, I want to know what is x minus 3. So I can rewrite minus 3 as minus 6 over 2. That way it matches the unit on the right, because 6 divided by 2 is 3. So x minus 3, if I combine these, gives me 17 over 2, which is b. If I multiply both sides by x plus 1, cancels out on the left, and I have 6 is equal to 3 times x plus 1. If I divide both sides by 3, I have 2 is equal to x plus 1. First thing I'll do is subtract 1 from both sides. So I have 3 times this quantity is equal to 9. Then I'll divide by 3. And what's in the parentheses here, which is this, is now going to be equal to 3. If I add 9 to both sides, I have 3x is equal to 15. So x is equal to 5. Double that. And 2x is equal to 10. So another way to think of this problem is that 4 times x plus 1 would be equal to 2 times x plus 1 plus another 2 times x plus 1. Because that would give you 2 plus 2 is 4. Instead, they give you this 6. So they tell you that 6 is equal to 2 times x plus 1. If I divide by 2, the answer is 3. Of course, you could solve for x and plug it back in, but this is another way of doing it. If I multiply by 2 on both sides, I have that b is equal to 20. Plugging that in here, what minus 20 is 12, so a is equal to 32. If I add these two together, I get 52.